Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. Now, the candidate who will lead local swimming's governing body for the next 2 years will be determined this evening as the Amateur Swimming Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, holds its voting AGM at the Jamaica Olympic Association headquarters. The incumbent Handel Lamy is being challenged by Martin Lynn, who he defeated 2 years ago. Our reporter Denise Walters is on location and now joins us live. Denise?
Hi, we're coming to you live from the Jamaica Olympic Association. I am Denise Walters. Currently ongoing is the annual general meeting for the Amateur Swimming Association of Jamaica. Also to be done later on this evening is the voting for a president, whether it be the incumbent Handel Lamy or former president Mr. Lynn is yet to be decided. Going on inside currently now are the president's report is being read. There are financial matters to be discussed, the grosses of the different clubs, and the persons inside are really upset, and a lot of them did not want to air their grosses on air, but speaking to me off camera, there are issues regarding monies that have not been turned over, paid over, or missing somewhere along the line, equipment that have been in storage that's needed, persons saying we need a change, the way the ASAJ is going, whomever we vote for, we need the ASAJ to be going in this direction, especially where sponsorships are concerned, losing sponsorship dollars, losing sponsors, among other things. So because it's ongoing, certain issues are being circled around and around again. We are currently at the president's report. The different clubs, the polo clubs, the swim clubs, the aquatic clubs, they too have to give reports. There will be a break in between. And then the second to last item on that list will be the voting process. About maybe 60 persons are inside. The door is closed. But if you're in the hall of the Jamaica Olympics Association, you can hear the raised voices, the tone that has been set inside. So maybe with the break, they'll cool down and then they come back to decide who the next president will be. And then, of course, we'll have a termination of the meeting. Currently, Mr. Handel Lamy is giving his report. He's the current president. There has been 2 attempts since last year December, and this year September, to have a vote of no confidence against him. He has succeeded at that, and he's hoping tonight to return as president of the ASAJ. Denise Walters here, coming to you live from the Jamaica Olympic Association, where matters are being discussed inside the annual general meeting. It's a long process. It's a tedious process. It will be a long night. Persons are hoping that maybe the voting process will happen sooner than at least the next 2 hours that's expected. So that's minutes to 10 or at least 10 o'clock before that. But like I said earlier, they have been circling around certain issues, and they're like seeking answers, and the issues, they say, haven't been resolved. Denise Walters here, coming to you live from the Jamaica Olympics Association. We'll have more for you in tomorrow's Primetime Sports Report.